Anxiety in the minds of the people of Goa on the report lease of about 1 lakh square meters of each river Zuari area at Maushi Santandre and Sankwal Konkani by Port Trust to private companies for setting up of marinas for craft, small boats, yachties, etc. Action the government proposes to take on this issue to safeguard ownership rights over the river as declared under Section 14 of the Land Revenue Act.
आता 2010 आणि 2011 स्पिकर्सर सरकार तांचोच आशिल्लो ताणीच हे रेझोल्युशन घेतला आणि फियर एंड एंग्जायटी आमकां विचारता. द बेसिक थिंग इज आज समज ताका समज ताजेर काळजी जाल्ली आसा अंडर लँड रेव्हेन्यू कोड वी हॅव आवर ओन रिस्ट्रिक्शन्स बिकॉज इट इज अ सेंट्रल एक्ट अंडर विच MPT has moved ahead and leased it out. ती समज जाय वी विल टेक लीगल प्रोविजन्स चेक वॉट द मॅटर इज एंड वी विल एक्ट अपॉन इट.
थँक्स टू द फ्री पावर्स दिले ते थिंगा मरीना जावं लोकांगे एप्रिहेन्शन लोकांगे हें नासतना लोकांगे ग्रामसभा जावं कोणाकूच कॉन्फिडन्स घेन नासतना जाय तें गुतले.
पळय एग्रीमेंट केल्लो तो चुकलो म्हूण आतां तेजे कितें तरी आमी जागे हाडपाक जाता जाल्यार आमी करता ते कडेन आनी जायना जाल्यार गेलें जायना.
2010-2011 लीज कशी जाली 2010-2011 लीज कशी जाली हो पयलो प्रश्न म्हाका चॅक करचो पडटलो. तुम्ही लीज कशी दिली काय म्हणून.
लीज दिली न्हू आतां फुडें गव्हर्नमेंट लोकांक खबर ना
रिलेटेड टू माय डिपार्टमेंट
फिशरमॅनांक खबर ना हो लीज केला म्हण पूण फुडें कितें आसो जाल्यार हांव म्हणटा
you raise your concern afterwards.
So I think let us not go back. Let us find out whether this lease was for how many years. If this lease is still valid, we'll have to check up. If this is still valid, then I think you can give a notice and cancel it. If it is not valid, it is already expired, the matter ends there.
I cannot commit because the land is already given to MPT as a lease and MPT is leasing it. So let us take a legal examination. Reginald Babu, we will talk to you also on this and ensure that they are also taken into confidence as far as this subject is concerned.